might be at the library. About to study.
Stay out, huh?
Hey bro, stop being creepy, bro.
I'm not being creepy, I'm just recording a scene.
Nah bro, you're just filming people, bro, that's hella creepy.
Oh, should we do a fit breakdown in the library, bro? Yeah, we should.
You first.
Me first? Yeah, go ahead. So we're in the library, so like quiet edition. Okay, for the shirt we got the Goodwill blank, you know, for the hoodie. If you watched the last video, you already know where the hoodie is from. Yeah, for the pants, you know, we got the
The hearts.
eBay, got the eBay hearts.
eBay hearts.
eBay hearts. The shoes, you know, my best friend Trevor Gorgie. Yeah, we go way back, you know. So he sent me this pair. Actually, I didn't buy them at all.
FF, right? Friends and family.
Yeah, friends and family. Exactly. He just sent me it.
Yeah.
And of course the belt.
Designer,
you
bro.
got the
Designer.
Timberland.
He's literally inside of a building wearing sunglasses. I know he knows what I'm talking about.
Excuse me, sir. We're actually in the library. Can you please keep it down? But parked in front of the minister. Called that prime real estate.
Bro, retired, bro.
Yeah, let me get a fit breakdown. Top to bottom, top to bottom. Yeah.
Alright, shades.
Yeah.
I'm gatekeeping now. Bubble jacket. One
Okay.
of my favorite, you know. Spring tee.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Get a ward off bad energy with this chain. It's one of my favorite pendants. 501 jeans, I think. Buy red fives, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
Some slice, some white, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Crazy, nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
Big spin on the J's. First try, baby. Okay, all right. That's it for that line. That's it for that line.
Listen to the startup, bro. You ready for this? You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Oh shit. Wait.
No way.
No freaking way.
There's no way. Bro, no, don't tell me that. This car just died.
No way, bro. I literally just started it.
Hold up. That means it's the case again.
And I can't even leave my car here because it's freaking 1 hour parking.
Do you have a jumping cable?
Yeah.
Fixed my car this week. Check it over there.
Hey, she looking clean though. She alive. Get a walk. Hit that catwalk. Ooh. Oh damn.
Oh, you know. Okay, bro. Hey, let me get a trick right. Let me get a trick.
A trick, bro? You got J's on.
No warm up out here.
Nice. Nice.